Hello everybody, welcome to 11th video of our series. In this video we are going to create a pause menu, and I have written this script, and on the top I have included scene management because we are playing with some scenes also. And after that I have stated two variables. One is for game is paused variable, which is in default initially it is false. Okay, its value is false. So after that this variable we used boolean, means yes or no, true or false. Okay, so after this we have mentioned our game object, which will be our pause menu UI, which we will create here in a minute. So you will see how this script will work. And then after that, in void update function we have created an if statement, and we say that if input dot key down dot get key down key code equal to dot escape. It means that when we will press escape key, then what will happen? Then inside if we are using one more condition, that if game is paused at that time when we press the escape key, then game should resume. Okay, and otherwise game should paused. So if it's running, we are in game playing position, it should be paused when we press escape key. So for escape and resume we should create two functions. So for that we have created one function we have created public void, because this resume button we will apply on resume button, this function. So we have we make it public. Okay, otherwise we can use do like this only while resume. Okay, no problem, but because we will use this function on our button. So in this function we are saying C# that pause menu UI dot set active should be false, that when we are in resume condition, UI should not be visible, and time dot time scale should be standard. Okay, 1f is standard time, so it means that game will run in its own condition. Okay, no change will happen, and game is paused equal to false, so game is not paused in this case. And in void pause function, same thing we have written totally opposite. Okay, you can say vice versa. So here pause menu UI dot set active equal to true when we are in pause condition, and time should be 0f. It means that game will stop. Okay, so nothing will happen. So if we change it to 0.3, you will feel some slow motion effect. If you want slow motion effect, you can use that. Okay, after that game is paused true, and then after this scripting we have created two more functions for load menu button and for quit game button, because we will have three main buttons on our pause menu. So that will be a resume button, load menu button, and quit button. So we have on quit button we have added this application dot quit option, so user can quit the game. And in a load menu function we have we loaded our scene 1. Okay, so you can see build index -1, so we are in scene 2, so we will be transferred to scene 1. Okay, so this is the script, and now we are going to implement the script in our game. So we are going to create one panel, UI panel, and then we can rename this panel to exactly same name. Okay, game object name. So pause menu UI, we can say it pause menu UI, and then we can resize this panel like this, and then we can play with colors and other things definitely. So let's make like this. After that we will add buttons on this pause menu. So for that we will add one button, UI and button. We can scale this button and position it, and on the top we will write our text. Yeah, we have that text mesh pro and we should use that thing. And here we will say pause menu, and then we can choose the font. This font is good, this one or this one is fine, so we can choose this font. And then we can use some gradients. Also we can make this text bigger like this, and yeah, now this is fine. And now we can use some gradients. Gradient matching should be in same colors, I think. Yeah, and this red color is not good, so it's not looking good. We can modify this thing a little bit. Here it is visible. And after this we can also resize. 44 for example we can choose, but that will be too big. 30 is fine. Yeah, it will look professional. Okay, so after that we can do a lot of other things also. Okay, but we will not do, no need of that. Face setting, softness, etc. Lot of things are here. So outline also here. Yeah, we can also create outline. That's good. And we can give thickness to outline. Yeah, that's awesome. So no need of that. Now we have created our pause menu text. Now we are on start this resume button. We will change the text to resume, and then we'll change its font to something like it should be good actually. I don't know why it's blurry in this sense, but let's try this. We will see this in play mode. Yeah, it will be fine actually. So we can create scale this text, and we can modify the area. After that we will make size 30, no, 24 maybe, and it should be bold. Yeah, and then our flow color should be white, and our button color, that should be black maybe, but we will decrease the alpha here. Okay, so it will look good. And then if you play the game, now it's fine. I think it's not too professional. So what we can do, I think let's make it red. Yeah, that's fine, and increase the alpha. Now it's fine. After that we will adjust this panel a little bit. Sorry, we can't, because this we already adjusted. No problem, we can just move these things outside, then we can resize the panel. Okay, and like this, and then again we can move these things here. Okay, not a big deal. And this text will lies in button. That's good. So we will choose the button and make it a little bit smaller, and we will rename the button to resume, and duplicate the button, and we will say second button to menu, and we'll change the text to main menu, and then we can duplicate the button and we can name it quit. That's it. Now if we run the game, join game view, it will be fine. Okay, yeah, it will look good. These buttons are not too much clear, so I think we should give it full color. No problem. We will increase this alpha. That's it. And then this background pause menu should be black. It is standard, I think. And then we can just select the elements and move it little bit lower, and that's it. Our menu, pause menu, is ready. Now we will implement our script on pause menu. Okay, for that I am going to create one game object, and we will name this game object as pause menu script, we can say, no problem. And then we can drag our script on this game object. Okay, now we can see a field here, pause menu UI, and we can drag this pause menu UI here. Okay, that's it. Now we can select pause menu UI and uncheck this pause menu UI in beginning. So if we run the game, and then during the game if we press escape, our game will be paused, and then again on escape it will resume. Okay, so our pause menu is functioning exactly what we want. Now we can do some more things. First I will make it bigger, no problem. Yeah, like this. So now we will add function to resume button, and for that we will click on this plus sign. We will drag resume button here. We will select the function. We will go to sorry, because we didn't add this script to this button. Okay, so we can add this script here, and on menu button also, and this quit button also. Now if we select the function, we will find pause script, and we can choose resume function here. Okay, and after that we will add, we will go to move to new button, this one, menu button, and we will add event, drag the button, go to pause script and load menu. That's it. Again we will go to quit, pause, drag quit here, go to pause script, quit game. And now if we play the game, these functions should work. And yeah, in beginning we should hide this thing. Yes, now if we press pause, you can see. Now if we click resume, it should resume, but it's not resuming. On escape it's resuming. If we click on main menu, yeah, main menu working fine.